RTTG, Rough Terrain Technologies Group, was created as a result of finding a need in the industrial marketplace for an all-purpose, all-terrain vehicle that could carry extreme amounts of weight while exerting remarkably low ground PSI. Our first machine came as a result of the forest fires of 2000 in Montana. During one of the worst fire seasons in recent history, Peterson Machinery Corporation, a partner of RTTG, was approached by numerous companies and individuals with a concept of a do-all fire machine using WW Contracting, prime contractor of RTTG's Timco's TF820 forwarder. Peterson Machinery Corporation adapted a 3,000-gallon water tank along with all necessary hardware for use on the fires. The machine was a huge success and brought RTTG worldwide acclaim. Using the knowledge and expertise of Peterson Machinery Corporation personnel, 3 new machines were developed. RTTG worked closely with the initial clients, the U.S. Forest Service and other related entities, to develop machines to meet or exceed their expectations. Several key questions developed as a result of our discussions. Could a machine be developed that would deliver incredible amounts of water and foam to the most remote fire locations? Could this machine also serve as a dozer with some sort of blade attachment? In addition, could this machine harvest trees, if necessary, for a complete fire line? Could this machine operate with one operator, thus reducing unnecessary risks with personnel? Could this machine negotiate 55-degree slopes safely? And above all, could this machine exert minimal ground pressure, thus reducing ground disturbance and soil compaction, along with other problems associated with normal track machines? The answer to all of these was a resounding yes. RTTG is constantly investigating and designing new attachments that can be used by a multitude of industries for countless applications. With our in-house engineers and designers, combined with our relationship with Timco, we can design and build to any job's requirements. RTTG has introduced to the firefighting market the most highly specialized piece of firefighting equipment the world has seen to date. When it comes to fighting and managing wildfires and or supporting prescribed burn situations, RTTG stands ready to work with government agencies, private companies, and or individuals. RTTG Proteus Fire Master machines are highly adaptable pieces of machinery that have extraordinary capabilities and functions. All of our Proteus Fire Masters are equipped with some of the latest high-tech equipment, safety features, and communications equipment found today. Items such as global positioning systems or GPS, weather monitoring systems, and aircraft-style stall warning devices for monitoring grade pitches and slopes. For added safety, video systems are located around the machine and linked to a central in-cab monitor. The end result was a machine that astonished local fire managers with its capabilities and propensity to operate in steep, rough terrain. Local fire managers quickly named the machine Proteus. Its ability to haul large amounts of water to previously unreachable terrain made it a favorite among veteran firefighters. In addition to its incredible capabilities, the biggest single operational fact about Proteus is its uncanny ability to exert less ground pressure per square inch than an average human being, even fully loaded with 3,000 gallons of water. During initial testing, it was difficult to tell exactly where Proteus had operated due to the absent track road, typically left by track machines or skidgens. In addition to our Proteus Firemaster machines, RTTG has an extensive inventory of firefighting equipment. RTTG is totally self-contained and self-supporting, eliminating your need to call multiple locations for different pieces of equipment. Equipment such as 4,000-gallon Type 2 wildland water tenders used to support Proteus operations on fires or to control dust on roads or fire camps. Lowboy tractor trailers for transporting Proteus excavators, mini excavators, skid steers, feller bunchers with a multitude of different felling heads, and delimmers and front-end loaders. In addition to our equipment, RTTG has invested thousands of dollars into training our crews and operators. Every one of our operators has received a red card, along with any ground personnel that operates around our equipment. Through privately contracted companies such as Montana Fire Training Specialist, all of RTTG's operators have a complete understanding of our equipment and has logged literally thousands of combined hours in our equipment. RTTG takes fires seriously and firmly believes that all fires should be fought aggressively while providing for safety first. When you contact RTTG, you can be assured that you'll receive state-of-the-art equipment, thoroughly trained personnel, and the willingness and understanding it takes to work during times of disaster or other difficult times. RTTG takes great pride in our ability to operate safely and efficiently on fires. Remember, RTTG, the next time you need any equipment for fires. RTTG wants to prove to you how efficiently and safely we can operate. Imagine a machine with the ability to take away your problems of constantly having to use high-priced helicopters for transporting and constructing jobs in extreme terrain. Imagine being able to work 24 hours a day if needed in inclement weather that grounds helicopters. That company is RTTG. The RTTG Proteus Construction Master can solve all these problems and more, as well as help you complete jobs on time even under budget. The RTTG Proteus Construction Master can transport materials, concrete, water, and manpower, just about anything you can imagine. When it comes to function, we can adapt our machines with excavator, buckets, timber felling heads, dump truck beds, water tanks, concrete hauling tumblers, drills for soil sampling, crew transports. Well, you get the idea. Problems such as soil compaction and ground tear-up normally associated with track machines are gone due to our magnesium non-sparking treads over tires, which disperse 20 tons of payload over a vast area. We can also dual each tire at the axle and run 16 tires for even less soil compaction or swamp wetlands applications. RTTG can handle projects such as ski slope development and construction, ski tower foundations complete with excavation and concrete hauling and pouring, utility line construction and maintenance, cable line laying, sewer and water line construction in rough terrain, cellular and wireless tower construction and installation, TV and radio tower construction and installation, transportation of bulky or heavy equipment to remote locations, natural resource exploration, natural gas and oil line construction in rough terrain, erection of telephone poles, and numerous other markets. Have a job that requires transporting concrete to a job site in extreme terrain? RTTG can help with extensive knowledge in the transportation and construction of concrete-based jobs. We can deliver concrete more economically than traditional methods such as helicopters. RTTG's machines have the ability to transport concrete to just about any location you can imagine. Our machines can, if necessary, excavate the job and haul and pour the product with the same machine. All of RTTG's Proteus Concrete Masters are equipped with 5-yard tumblers. You don't have to worry about environmentally challenging projects either. Our machines, when fully loaded, exert less ground PSI than an average human being. We don't even need roads. Our machines are equipped with specially designed bogie axle systems that literally caress the ground as they roll over obstacles. With this specially designed axle system, obstacles essentially become half as high due to 2 wheels on each axle. RTTG has the equipment and expertise to help your job run as smoothly as possible. In addition to our Proteus Concrete Master machines, we have a full complement of equipment that includes excavators, water tenders, skid steers, dozers, loaders, backhoes, spider excavators, timber harvesting equipment, feller bunchers, delimmers, log loaders, lowboy tractor trailers, plus numerous other pieces of equipment all geared for rough terrain construction. From the first time you see it, the RTTG Proteus Forest Master is no ordinary piece of forestry equipment. First of all, it sits atop 8 rubber tires that all but caress the ground they walk on. The RTTG Special Purpose Forwarder has all but revolutionized forest and timber stewardship practices. The RTTG Proteus Forest Master comes complete with a full complement of specialized processing heads and magnesium treads. In addition, the turret and boom functions rotate in a complete 360-degree circle. Give it the command and it will cut, process, sort, and grapple function across a 25-degree side hill slope. How's that for a new pruning tool? The Proteus Forest Master is at home in the forest, wilderness, or rural interface zone. Whether your favorite plot requires select thinning, fuel load reduction, trail restoration, road obliteration, timber salvage, burn mop-up, prescribed burn support, hydroseeding mulch mantle restoration, erosion control and monitoring, structure protection measures, environmental control measures, or seeding and replanting, the Proteus Forest Master system is the best way to achieve the maximum impact with the most comprehensive array of new, gentle, and cost-effective technology available to the forest stewardship market today.